Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are at Padang Bai for snorkeling at Blue Lagoon and Amuk Bay. Let's go. Now we are on the way to Blue Lagoon Snorkeling Point.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall.
So guys, now I think we are approaching the Blue Lagoon Snorkeling Point. Maybe we're gonna do that for 1 hour. Maybe after that, we're gonna go to other side for another 1 hour. Let's see what kind of fish we can find underwater. Very excited. The water is quite cool actually because we are doing snorkeling at morning 10 o'clock. So yeah, let's see what we can find underwater. So guys, now we are at the second spot, Amuk Bay, and we'll be doing snorkeling for another 1 hour.